Welcome to Elia Style. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to draft a simple and versatile pattern for polo shirts and t-shirts made from stretchy fabric. This pattern is perfect for beginners. No darts, no fuss, just a straightforward design that's easy to customize and sew. Whether you're looking to create a classic polo or a comfy t-shirt, this pattern has you covered. Let's get started. First, draw a vertical line. One to 2, measure the arm side depth without ease. 1 to 3, measure the center back to the waist. 1 to 4, measure the center back to the hip. Draw horizontal lines at the points 1, 2, 3, and 4 to create reference lines. On the hip line, mark 2 cm inward from the vertical line and connect this point to point 1. Seven to 8, measure the back width, adding up to 0.5 cm ease if desired. 8 to 9, measure the arm side width with ease. 9 to 10, measure the front width with ease. Draw vertical lines through points 8, 9, and 10. Find the midpoint between point 7 and 10, it's 13. Find the midpoint between points 5 and 12, it's 14. Connect points 13 and 14 with a straight line. 1 to 15, measure the back neck width, then subtract 0.5 cm. The intersection of the vertical and horizontal lines is point 17. From 17, go down 1 cm to point 18. Draw the shoulder line from point 16 through 18 and extended it by 1 to 2 cm. Draw the back neckline curve. Divide the line from point 8 to 18 into 4 equal parts. Mark the first division as point 20. Mark point 21 as a guide point, then draw the armhole curve. Nine to 22, measure to ensure it equals the length of 8 to 18. Draw an arc with the center at the point 9 and a radius equal to 9 to 22. 11 to 23, measure the center front length. On the horizontal line from point 23, mark the back neck width minus 0.5 cm. On the vertical line from point 23, mark the back neck width plus 1 to 1.5 cm. On the guide line from 23 to 9, mark the back neck width plus 0.5 cm. Connect these points to create the front neckline curve. Draw the shoulder line from the point 24, making it equal to the back shoulder minus 0.5 cm, and end it on the arc. Draw a guide point to complete the armhole. Shape the side seam by curving inward 3 to 4 cm. Draw the curve smoothly. If you want to shorten the bodice, ensure you draw square lines from the center, back and front. Draw the placket with the length of 23 cm and a width of 3 cm. For this bodice, I'll show you how to draft a simple sleeve pattern to complement it. From the bodice pattern, measure the following. R. The total armhole depths, sum of front and back armhole depths. U. The armhole circumference, total armhole measurement on the bodice pattern. Now you can draw the sleeve framework. Draw a vertical line. One to 2, measure and mark 1/3 of R, the total armhole depths. 1 to 3, measure and mark the desired sleeve length. One to 4, measure and mark half of U, the armhole circumference. One to 5, repeat the measurements from 1 to 4 on the opposite side. Divide both lines from 1 to 4 and 1 to 5 into 3 equal sections. Mark the sleeve hem width and connect these points to form the sleeve side seams. To complete the armhole curve, use guide points and follow specific instruction for a smooth shape. Double check that the armhole on the sleeve pattern matches the armhole on the bodice pattern. And that's it! You've successfully drafted both the bodice and sleeve patterns for your polo shirt or t-shirt. Now you're ready to cut your fabric and start sewing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try this pattern with different fabrics and styles. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Alia's Style for more sewing and pattern making tips. Happy sewing!